locally, for me, this is a bit of a travel hub, especially if you want to catch a local bus into the centre of Bangkok or beyond. This is where a lot of them start from, and the local bus for me here is number 12. And I can get all the way from here right into the heart of the tourist area over at Wat Po, not far from Khao San Road. That number 12 bus will take you all the way to Khao San Road for, oh my god, how much is it? 9 baht. Good. So it's coming towards the end of the rainy season. It's a little bit dull, it's a little bit cloudy, it's hot and humid, but it's not really hot like it gets in March and April. So these are the little 9 baht buses that you can get and take around places in Bangkok. Buses everywhere in Thailand. Taxis, tuk-tuk, motorbike taxis. Your choice is huge. Alright, now we're going to walk down here and we'll go to the motorbike shop if it's open. So we'll have a look and see. This is the type of place I'm talking about. Little motorbike shops where you can buy probably what we call mopeds or scooters. Depends where you come from in the world. But they usually around about 150cc, they're automatic. Give you some brand names like Honda Scoopy, Yamaha Pino, that type of thing. Honda Click, some cool little Kawasaki bikes here. I quite like these, they're quite nice. So you've got a big choice. They're not the prices there, that's the deposit. One like that costs, I don't know, around about 70 or 80,000 baht. But you've got out the correct registration. You've got to be able to register the bike, and for that you normally need a work permit, normally, unless you're retired and you've got a retirement visa. So if you're a tourist, you can't really buy a bike, ride it around and then hope to sell it, not legally. So that's the bad news. So this is a slightly bigger shop. It's only about 3 doors away from that one we just looked at, and this is one of the Honda main dealers here, and you can buy probably the biggest bike would be a Honda CBR CB300. You can get 500s and bigger bikes, but they're normally not from here. You have to buy these from a different shop. So let's say you can get up to a 300cc bike here as a guideline. So you get your bike serviced here, you get repaired, buy it here. But remember the registration bit, that is the stumbling block for most people. They can afford a bike, but they can't get it registered. My point of view is, if you're going to buy something, for me, I want to take it abroad into Laos or Malaysia or whatever, and it needs to be registered. If you're not going to get it registered, buy an old bike. It's a few thousand baht and run around on that. Take your chances, up to you. I'm not telling you what to do in that way. I can show you the bikes and that's it, alright? So let's go cross over, not get killed, and we'll have a look at the bikes. Oh, there is one funny thing. Before I go, I must show you this. Wait a minute. There's some CBR 300, and then we got the more, I'd say really easy for Bangkok. We've got things like Honda Wave, Honda Click, Scoopy, and I think that one's the MS6, yeah. That's again, it's pretty cool, light and manoeuvrable, they're good. So, I'm going to try and feature a lot of different types of bikes on I Do Indigo, from small bikes and where to buy them, bike tours, if you want to buy a bike as a person living in Thailand, how to do it, and the best type of places to come. Prices are very, very fixed in Thailand. They're more or less set. All the shops are very, very similar, if not the same. So let's go inside and have a look. We'll see.